everybody, I'm Sonia, and I'm going to show you today how to make a very, very easy artisan bread. My mom taught me this recipe. I was shocked at how easy it was, so since a lot of you are probably at home quarantining, I want to show you that you can do something really cool without a lot of stress or time or money. Okay, anyways, here we go. Easy artisan bread recipe. Boom. So the first ingredient you're gonna need is flour. Just regular unbleached flour is great, works good. You can use wheat flour too, or white, doesn't really matter. 3 1/4 cups of that, which I've already pre-measured right here. 2 teaspoons of yeast, and then 2 teaspoons of salt. I like the pink Himalayan. After that, the last thing you need is 1.5 cups of cool water. You wanna make sure it's cool, not too hot, not too cold, because it just reacts with the yeast.
All right, are you listening? This next step is very important. Are you sure? Okay, this is crazy, so difficult. The next step is to mix all these ingredients together in a bowl. So that's what we're gonna do. The next step is to cover it with a towel and put it in front of a warm spot for 2 to 3 hours. It's in there. Good night, little bread. See you in a couple hours. Next step, after it's risen, see, it already did that beautifully, is to shape it however you want. You can make it up into small little loaves or do one big one. Endless possibilities, so I'm going to shape it.
Preheat the oven to 475 degrees and let the bread rise for 45 more minutes. You could do whatever you want while you're waiting. You could read a book, play the banjo. You could just sit there staring at your bread or try on hats. Ah, yeah. You could get a foot massage.
Yes, she did.
Or have a debate with your roommate.
Carol Baskin definitely fed her husband to the tigers.
Anything you want.
So I messed up and had to transfer it to a pan. Ideally, you'd have it just sit and rise on the pan that you're gonna bake it on. But anyways, no harm done. It transferred easy. Now we put in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes.
Yeah, it's going down. I just made bread, yeah, bread. I just made bread, yeah, bread, yeah, bread mother, yeah, bread mother, woo, bread mother, biggity bread mother, yeah. I just made bread, yeah, bread. I just made bread, yeah, I just made bread. Woo! I just made bread, mother. Bread, mother. Bread, mother. Woo! Bread, mother. Butter in the garlic. Butter in the garlic. Butter in the garlic. Bread, mother. Woo! Bread, mother. I just made bread. I just made bread.